This tutorial is about the divisibility rule for the number 9. So first of all, the rule itself, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So it's a very similar rule to that for 3, because 3 is the same thing. If you add up all the digits in the number and it's divisible by 3, then it's divisible by 3. So we're going to take a look at 5 examples here. So 78 is the first one, and it might be a little high in the multiplication table if you remember, does 9 go into that or not? So what you do is you add the 7 and the 8, you add the digits, and 7 and 8 add to 15, and 15 is not a multiple of 9. It's not divisible by 9, so that means that 78 is not divisible by 9. So that's what you do. You add up the digits and look to see whether the sum of all the digits is a number that's divisible by 9. And we can go quite large, and the sum of the digits is still a fairly small number, as we'll see as we go down here into the tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands numbers. So 468, for example. So we add 4, 6, and 8. So 4 and 6 is 10, and 8 more is 18. Now 18 is divisible by 9. It's 9 times 2. So that means that 468 is divisible by 9. So next, let's look at 6,768. So we add 6, 7, 6, and 8. And 6 and 7 is 13, and you see 6 and 8 is 14. So basically it's 13 plus 14 is 27. And 27 is a multiple of 9, so it's divisible by 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So that means that 6,768 is divisible by 9. Let's go to a bigger number, 32,574. So we add 3, 2, 5, 7, and 4. 3 and 2 is 5, and 5 more makes 10. And 7 more makes 17, and 4 more makes 21. Now 21 is not divisible by 9. It's not a multiple of 9. So that means that 32,574 is also not divisible by 9. So one more last larger example, 549,657. So we add 5, 4, 9, 6, 5, and 7. And so 5 and 4 is 9, and 9 more is 18. And 18, and you see this is 11. 18 and 11 would be 29, and 7 more makes 36. Now 36 is divisible by 9, so that means that this number 549,657 would be divisible by 9. So basically you add up, find the sum of the digits. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. And that's the end of the tutorial.